This is not motivation. This is not mindset. This is how performance actually works. You hired the best, you built the team, you gave them the strategy, structure and speed. But somewhere between pressure and pace, execution breaks. Not from lack of skill, not from lack of drive, but from a system overloaded inside. When the brain is under pressure, clarity disappears, and even top performers start to hesitate. This is where it changes, this is where we lead. When we understand how the brain succeeds, not by pushing harder, not by doing more, but by regulating at the core. This is how